So in this video, we have three scenarios where in each case, we've been given three corners of a rectangle and we're missing one in each of these three cases. Our job is to write down the coordinates of the missing corner. So probably the best idea would be to try and draw it, okay? So thinking about having a coordinate grid and then going, right, well, here for the first one, we've got 2, 3. So 2, 3 can be somewhere here. So that's 2 and that's 3. It doesn't need to be accurate, it's just a little sketch diagram, okay? Right, then we've got 2, 5. Now 2, 5 will go 2 along and then 5 up. So we'll be vertically above it. Okay, so there's 5. Okay. Then we've got 9, 3. So that would be 9 along the corridor and then 3 up the stairs. So it'll be somewhere there, let's say. So that's 9. Okay, so we have this situation going on here, right? And our missing point is right there. That will make the rectangle. So this point here is 9 along the corridor, 5 up the stairs. So 9, 5 is the one I want. That's the extra point. Okay? Right. Grand. Let's go for the next one. I think a diagram is definitely the way to go here. Okay. So, number 2. We have minus 4, 1. Right, so we've got to go 4 along the corridor to the left and then 1 up. So minus 4, 1. So let's place it there, shall we? That's minus 4 and that's 1. Right, then we've got minus 3, 1. So not so far along the corridor. 1 up the stairs. So there we go. There's minus 3, 1. Then we've got minus 3, 10. So 3 along the corridor and then 10 up the stairs. So it's going to be somewhere up here, isn't it? So there's 10. Right, okay, so if we draw in our grid, okay, something like that, then this is the missing coordinate. That's the one I want. So that point is 4 along the corridor to the left, 10 up. So minus 4, 10. So minus 4, 10 is the point I'm interested in. Okay. All right then. Last one. What have we got? So the first one, minus 5, 7. So 5 back along the corridor and 7 up. So somewhere about there, I reckon. So that's at minus 5 and that's at 7. There we are. Right, the next one is at 6, 7. So 6 along the corridor and then 7 up the stairs. So somewhere up here. So that's at 6. Right, the next one is at 6 minus 10. So 6 along the corridor and then 10 down the stairs. So somewhere maybe down there. So that's at minus 10. Right, okay, so let's draw on our grid, shall we? Right, we've got, going through there, going there, going there, going there. Right, so this is my last point, isn't it? It's right there. So actually that would be 5 along the corridor, back along the corridor, and then 10 down the stairs. So that would be at minus 5, minus 10. And so that is the missing point. Now, the eagle-eyed among you may have noticed that actually the coordinates are made up of pairings here. Can you see we had 2 2s, okay, and then we had 2 9s. We had 2 3s and we had 2 5s. So here we had 2 minus 4s, 2 minus 3s, 2 1s and 2 10s. So actually, if I hadn't have known that, I could have gone, well, they need to appear in pairs. So I've got 2 6s, so minus 5 needs to be matched up with minus 5, so I've got 2 minus 5s. I've got 2 7s there, and I've got a minus 10 by itself, so that needs its pair. Okay, so we could have done it that way without drawing the diagram, but from the outset, probably wouldn't have made much sense without being able to visualise it. But now that we've visualised it, there was actually maybe a quicker way of doing it.